Dr. Ashish Arbhat here. I'm an orthopedic surgeon and a sports enthusiast, and everybody knows that uh, we need good supplements for all the sporty activities we do. I'm myself trained for bodybuilding. I was an ex-boxer and always had an issue of muscle cramps, muscle pains, lactic acidosis, and I found this unique product, Vitaminolites from Energia. And since near about 2 years, I myself am taking it after all my sporty activities. I don't need to take any BCAA, any antioxidants, anything. It is electrolyte rich, it is vitamin rich, and it has all the micronutrients that you require as an antioxidant and prevent lactic acidosis, sports for any sporty and gymming activities. Secondly, we are also using it for all our post-operative patients, and believe me, none of them have any kind of pain. It has one more thing, it is sugar-free, so it's very safe for diabetic and patients on metformin who have more lactic acidosis. It has vitamin C and all the B1, B6, B5, B3 for the first time in India. It has vitamin A and E, which are very important for your eyes, for your skin. It has vitamin D, which is not present in any of the supplements available. It has elemental sodium, chloride, magnesium, and zinc, which are important for your muscle activities, for maintaining the supplety of the red muscles, for your heart. And again, it has selenium and copper, which are very rare elements, which in this time of COVID are really important. It has green tea extracts called polyphenols. Now, these polyphenols are natural antioxidants. They have ashwagandha, ginger, amla, brahmi, and tulsi. What more do I need? So friends, in this time of COVID, all of us are talking about immunity. And what we need in immunity is the natural ingredients like selenium, zinc, and Vitaminolites is here with all the products. It also has ashwagandha, tulsi, ginger, and the polyphenols. A complete package with vitamin D and B12 for building the immunity in this COVID era. I highly recommend it, and you have to take nothing. This is completely scientific. It is completely made with the RDAs. So in COVID times, Vitaminolites is one product that everybody in the family should have. It's an effervescent tablet, and just have it. And believe me, within seconds, you will see the relief. So it's a complete product. It's as a good product, like a godly product. It has all the electrolytes that I need, all the vitamins that I need, all are in RDA, that is the daily requirement as recommended by the international bodies like the WHO. It has all the important micronutrients. So I don't have to fetch in for any other medicines or every time 15 tablets for 15 things, because I've been in this field of sports for more than 17 years now. And we used to search 15 tablets of different things. Now, Vitaminolites is one product which you can completely rely on. It is going to do only and only benefits. We are coming down with a paper where near about 200 patients are being benefited with these Vitaminolites benefits post-operative also. So if you are a sportsman, if you are a hard worker, if you have any issues of thyroid and such conditions, and in general, even the kids can have it. You can make the tab into four parts, give them once a day, they will have no issues. Again, it's a mood elevator, it is antioxidant and a complete product. And I'm so proud that Energia has come down with such a complete product. Vitaminolites is highly recommended. Thank you.